What's going on YouTube? Tim here with Danilets Detailing, and today I got quite a video for you. So the background behind this van, it's a Chevy van. I'm not too sure the model. The owner didn't really specify it, but this van has been sitting on the driveway for 10 plus years. It died in 09 and just been sitting on the driveway ever since. So 2020, do the math, that's 11 years. And granted, it might have not been cleaned for a while before then. So it might have been more than 11 years. But this car, like when in first glance, honestly, I didn't think I was gonna be able to do a good job. I was like, whoa, this is pretty dirty. But as you'll see, the pressure washer came in clutch. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family, and press that notification bell. Stay tuned for more content, and thank you guys. We've hit the 150 mark for subscribers. So we're getting there, we're getting bigger, and thank you guys for all the support, all the comments, all the questions. And yeah, sit back, enjoy, and watch the Danilets magic happen. To get this show on the road, I needed to pressure wash this big boy to get all the years of gunk and debris off the paint. I did not see this coming. It was a hornet's nest, but thank goodness it was dead, because I don't know, I kind of flipped. But the owner told me that it's dead, so I just went ahead and pressure washed it out. Now with the van all pressure washed, it was time to apply my car solution and wash the bad boy. With the van all clean, I went ahead and used my drying towel to dry the whole van. The next step was to clean all the windows, so I applied Windex, used my steel wool, the softest kind, and then I wiped it off with a microfiber cloth. Now, tire cleaning was the last step, so I didn't do anything special. I just applied acidic tire cleaner and watched it do its work. And now, here are the results. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. But the results on that van were outstanding. I didn't realize how far it got. I had to rewatch the video to realize how dirty it was to how clean it got. So, pressure washer came in clutch. So, thank you guys, and Danilets Magic happened, and I'll see you in the next one.